We're all fragile. We're all vulnerable. None of us is perfect. Perfection is the enemy of progress. The search for perfection will only impede improvement. The wilderness has toughened me and strengthened me both in body and soul. My spirit has been lifted and my confidence slowly rebuilt. I'm a humbler person, more thoughtful and considerate, and I'd like to think also a little bit kinder. The wilderness has been my healer, my companion, and my guide. I may have failed my school exams, but I've finally graduated the school of life. I've not just survived, but thrived. This wasn't a battle I won, but a symbiotic relationship I formed, one that fosters generosity rather than greed. The importance of human spirit should never be underestimated. With spirit comes confidence and hope and happiness. Just imagine if we put as much emphasis on spirit as we do on exams. Imagine if we focused on building the inner confidence to be who we are, not what others want or expect us to be. Imagine if we lived in a world where there were more shepherds than sheep. Happiness is there. All we need to do is take away the things that make us sad, and it can be ours.